I've come out to this parrot sanctuary. These look far more the size to go on my shoulder, but I just thought I might put them to the test, you know. I want a lively bird. These, I'll just see how lively they're going to be. I believe this is what you're going to move, boys. Ho, 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 ho. Don't know much about this. Making parrots do what it's supposed to do. Just give it a quick shake there, boys. Are you going to move? Oh, not yet. See if this little one will start it. No, it's not moving very much, I'm afraid. I think they might be a bit too busy sort of looking at the view outside. I know, I'll just get to the bottom of the pole and try shaking them a little bit. You just keep watching and see what happens. I'll shake this one a bit first. Oh, don't seem to be happening very much. What about this one? Yep. Oh, yes. Well, he looks quite a lively fellow. And is there another one? Well, he's doing quite well, I reckon. The other ones don't seem to be. Oh, there's the two of them there. They're doing nicely as well. Just give the other a chance, and then I'll let me decide. Oh, he started. He's a little bit slow, but he started. Yes, it's quite a nice one. There's still two of them sticking up there. Oh, the orange one's moving now. Now I've got to think about what colour of parrot. I'll just give the green one final chance. Come on, me matey. If you want to be included, I'll take all of you if you get down the poles. I'll just get the bottom of the pole again, give him a shake. Come on, matey. Come on, you can do it. He's done it. He's done it. He's done it. He's done it. Well done, lads. Well done. Well, if I can afford all of them, I think I might take all of them. Anyway, nice to have a proper... I mean, Pete the little penguin's a nice companion. Oops, sorry, lads. But it's nice to have a proper size of parrot to go on my shoulder, potentially. Anyway, thanks for looking in again. A bit of a long video this time. Hope you didn't get bored. Farewell, me hearties.